Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to design professional labels for your products using the Canva app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Canva app, then go to the print products section. And here there are a few different categories. As you can see, popular, marketing, gifts, stationery, clothing, and cards and invites. Now go to the gift section. And at the gift section, if you scroll down a little bit, you will find the label icon here on the left side. Now, when you tap on the labels, it's going to open up a page which already has the exact size, ratio, and quality that you need for a label for any product, really. And from here, you can go and upload your images or designs that you already have, your logo and text, everything. And then go to templates, and here you will find professional templates, all made by professional designers, and you can use one of these and just customize it. There are a few categories that they have. They have wine labels, as you can see, very beautiful and professional wine labels. You can choose one of these and then just go and customize it. You can move around the design elements. You can type something else into the design. You can add your own logo to it. So it's very easy to customize. They have wine labels, beer labels, same, very beautiful beer label designs fitting to the beer culture. Very nice beer labels, love them. They also have water bottle labels, if you have water brand, kitchen labels, storage labels, clothing labels, also address labels, wedding labels, and here are all the labels that they have. But you can also use the search bar to search for any specific label. As you can see, this is for orange juice, ice cream, and really anything. And when you choose one of these labels, you can just go and type in your own text. You can add your own brand to it, and it is really very easy to customize and make it your own. And not talking about how much cheaper it is to create a label like this than in comparison to hiring a professional designer or even a team of designers. Many companies go and hire designer teams and pay thousands of dollars for such labels, and in some of the cases they won't even get such high quality. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.